Hello, welcome. It's really great to have you here today. I'm Nicole, and today I have a joy-filled Operation Christmas Child shoebox that I'd like to share with you. It's for a girl who's 2 to 4, and the theme is Minnie Mouse. But before we get into it, I have something that filled me with joy when I went to Walmart that I want to show you. I'm going to be putting together some bead kits, and I ran across these sprinkle containers, and I thought these would be the perfect size for a bead kit, and they're acrylic, they're plastic, so they won't break. But here's a bumblebee and a beautiful butterfly and a bird nest. So I just thought I would share that with you in case you are someone that likes to do cupcakes or cookie decorating. That way you could be on the lookout for these. You're really committed to Operation Christmas Child when you start to buy things just for the containers, because you know they would be great for your shoe boxes. But anyway, I hope you enjoy this video, and I will see you in just a minute. I'm going to go ahead and turn around the camera. All right, I'll be right back.
Sweetie daily spreading the light, painting hope in boxes so bright.
Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and take out these papers so that you can see the lid design. The lid design says, "Let your light shine," from Matthew 5:16. And there's a picture of Minnie with some flowers and some butterflies. And this gave me some joy when I found it, and I hope that she will enjoy it too. If you would like to use it for your own lid design, you can go down to the description box and click on the link that says lid design. Okay, right on the top, we have this little Minnie Mouse. I got that from Dollar Tree. Here is a blanket. It's actually a burp cloth. And here is a very cute little crybaby Minnie Mouse. And I got her on sale. She was actually part of a package of 3, and for all 3, they were $20. So I thought that was a pretty good deal for a character doll. She's really soft. Look, she even has a little tail. Isn't that cute? Here's a little pacifier. I think the little girl will really enjoy playing with her. She has one of these little music makers. And she has a princess cup. I'm sorry about my voice today. I think I must have some allergies, so I feel fine. I just don't sound great. So sorry about that. Here are some bracelets for her and some hair ties, a purple headband, a purple tennis ball, a washcloth, and a pair of underwear. Next, I'll show you her outfit. It's a Minnie Mouse shirt. I found that at Old Navy. And a pair of shorts that are from Walmart. She has a box of crayons, a flying disc, a Minnie Mouse car with a Minnie Mouse, and she has some special characters that are Minnie Mouse, actually several Minnie Mouses. Oops. It's a Minnie Mouse, and I think that his name's Figaro. I thought these were so cute. I think I got these at TJ Maxx. She has a little Minnie Mouse wind-up toy. pair of scissors, a toothbrush, a compact mirror, a spoon, a pencil sharpener. She has this book. His name is Jesus. I get these books from Christ to All Ministries, and I like to include picture books in my boxes because children enjoy looking at the pictures. And I also have for her this little nativity ornament with some stickers where she can decorate the ornament. I got that from Oriental Trading. I have a Jesus Loves Me journal book that you can download on sweetteadaily.com. On the back, it says Jesus loves me in multiple languages. Here is her pencil pack where pencils and let's see, I've got a big pencil for her too, because the kids that are this age, it's easier for them to grip bigger pencils. I have a ruler for her and some erasers and a gel pen and a regular blue pen and a little doodle book that is just plain paper. She has a Minnie Mouse bag with Minnie and all of her friends on it. I got that from the Dollar Tree. That way if she can't fit all the items back in her box, she can put it in the bag to take home. Here is our card with our letter to the child. Here is a mini notebook. I could not fit a full-size notebook in the box. I really tried, but it was just not going to fit and close. So this is a lined notebook. Hopefully for this age, this will be okay. I'm hoping. Here is her coloring book. I got this from Dollar Tree. Oops, sorry about that, Minnie. And this is a sticker scene with some stickers. And I tucked this inside of her coloring book. And last, I have a sticker face activity from the Dollar Tree as well. It's an Easter theme. I think these are just so much fun. They're easy to include. They're very thin, so they fit really well inside of a shoebox. Well, dear friends, I thank you so much for joining me today. I'm sorry about my voice and my fumbling. Anyway, it's just one of those days. So I hope you all are doing well. I hope you're able to enjoy some sunshine. It's really beautiful this time of year in Georgia. Anyway, I want to thank you so much for joining me. May God bless you in your shoebox ministry. Take care, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.
Colors bright and messages bold. In our hands, His story told. Gifts wrapped in the warmth of grace, bringing smiles to